Hey guys, welcome back. Today we're going to install this 10.1 capacitive touchscreen CarStereo from Haudio. So let's get the box open and see what's inside.
So the box flips open just like this. Protective foam pad. Instruction manual. The stereo itself. Your backup camera. And your hardware. Your wiring and all that. Okay, with everything unpackaged, we have the instruction manual, the stereo itself, your power cords, GPS antenna, 2 USB ports, audio and video in and out, your backup camera with necessary wiring, and the mount for your camera, and the mounts for the CarStereo itself. Okay, the first thing I'm going to start with is the stereo itself. I'm going to take these brackets that came with it. I'm going to attach them to the side here. There's 2 holes for screws, which there's screws included in the packaging. So I'm going to put one on this side. I'm going to flip it over and repeat the same thing on this side. Alright, you're going to want to get an install kit for your vehicle. This is the one that's made for mine. Also comes with the wiring harness adapter, so it's all color coded. You'll just go ahead and hook up your corresponding colors to what is on your adapter. Then you should end up with something like that. So that way it just plugs into your stereo. This end here will plug into your vehicle. We're going to go ahead and put our dash adapter in first. Sometimes they can be a little tricky. Looks like this one's going to go smoothly. Just like so. Slides over just like that. And then we'll mount it to these brackets with a nut and a bolt. Now we're going to go ahead and get our wiring plugged in. Power wiring and speaker wiring. We'll go over here by the fuse. That just clicks in. The USB ports. This one will go here. Just like that. And this one will go right next to it. Also our audio video subwoofer. This is for our camera. All right, got all the wiring that I want to put in. Got it nicely fitted to my dash adapter. We're gonna go ahead out to the vehicle and get this installed, and then we'll look over the features. Okay, we're out in the vehicle. I've already pulled the original old stereo out. As you can see, you got your antenna wire, your original factory harness that plugs into your stereo. We're gonna go ahead and take our adapter, and it'll just snap right in, just like this. Then, your antenna will just plug right into the port here. Just like that. And if you have an amp, then we're going to run it into these two here, and I'm going to plug my amp wire into it. Now my USB ports, I'm going to run them down through the dash and out the bottom here. I'll grab those underneath. Get all your wiring behind here. Locks into place. Everything else back together. And she's installed. So I'm going to go ahead and get it turned on, and we're going to look at the features and see what this radio has to offer. All right, we're going to turn it on for the first time. It pops up. This is your home screen, your volume. This here is your GPS, radio. You can fly right through it. Saved stations. We'll click home. Bluetooth settings. Apps. You got Netflix. Your EQ settings. YouTube. Spotify. AVN, your Bluetooth settings, video, Google Chrome, more settings, file manager if you got your USB in it, which I do, right here. We'll go home. We have music. Alright guys, that's all there's to it. I'm going to go ahead and leave a link in the description to where you can find one of these. I think it's a fantastic stereo, so if you do get one yourself, let me know what you think of it. If you have any questions, hit me up in the comments. And again, thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.